Okay, boys and girls, today we practiced equivalent fractions. That's 9-3. And equivalent means equal. If you look at the word equivalent, it's very similar to the word equal, and that's what it means. So I'm going to do a couple problems here with you tonight, or today, because you're all still with me. Equivalent fractions. So if I have, I'm going to start with number 2 here, the fraction 6/10. Okay, I want to find another fraction that's equal to the same thing as 6/10. Okay, and the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to either multiply or I'm going to divide. Okay, and whatever I do to the top, boys and girls, I have to do to the bottom. That's right. So on this particular problem, we're going to actually divide because it's given us the denominator already. Okay, so our denominator is going to go from 10 down to 5. The reason why we're dividing is because we're going down in numbers. Instead of going up, we're going down. So we are going to be dividing. So 10 divided by what number equals 5? Robert, what number?
2.
Yes, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So what I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So I'm going to divide the top by 2. So Haley, what is 6 divided by 2? 3, yes. So this is what we call an equivalent fraction. 6/10 is the same as 3/5. Okay, on number 7, it did not give us a denominator or a numerator to figure out. So we're on our own. Okay, it says we're going to multiply or divide to find an equivalent fraction. So it's up to us to decide whether or not we're going to divide or whether we're going to multiply. So again, what we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. Yes. All right, so we've got 9/10. So with 9/10, I think we need to multiply on this one because we can't divide. There's not a common denominator here that we can divide by. So we're just going to go ahead and multiply. So if I multiply by the top number, I also have to multiply the bottom. So does it matter what number we multiply by, Ashlyn? No, it can be any number, can't it? As long as it's not 0, and 1 doesn't really work either. So, Ashlyn, what should we multiply by here? 2 is a good one, all right. So 9 times 2 equals, Dalton, 18. Now, since I multiplied the top by 2, what do I need to multiply the bottom by? Sarah? 2. So what is 10 times 2, Eileen? 20. So there we go. 9/10 is equivalent to 18/20. Okay. So just to review, an equivalent fraction means that those fractions would be the same. If I take these 2 pieces of pizza and I divide one into 4 pieces so that my denominator, Jordan, is 4, and I take the other one and divide it into 8 pieces so my denominator is 8, and on the first pizza, I color in 1 of those pieces, so 1/4. And on the second one, I color in 2 of those pieces, so that 2 out of those 8 pieces are colored in. If you notice, both of those pieces are the exact same size, right? So 1/4 is equivalent to 2/8. Good luck on your homework tonight, guys. You rock. Say, oh yeah.
Oh yeah!